What the hell are they doing?
Go through.
Dog in that room. Oh my God, the dog in that room.
Well, they got no air on over there.
I know. And they're cold.
That's what you call old people. I know. They're going back and forth. Look at your pictures. Oh my God.
I have to get some of those for me because I don't have any pictures
This is
of those.
terrible. Oh my
Here,
God.
and go right
You
off
look
the side.
lovely.
Well, thank you. You know, I bought this dress like, I don't know, you really haven't never wore it.
Oh. Oh my God.
Ray!
Are you fucking. What happened? What did you do, you idiots? You guys are ridiculous. Would you bust that?
Where'd you go? What, up front? No, we're good.
Oh, let me get out of your way. Shoot. All right, we gotta go.
Okay, we gotta go. We're late for dinner.
Stephanie, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Okay, say bye.